Hey guys, this is a quick little video, I hope. I'm just gonna go straight to the point with it. I found, or I may have found, the most likely cause for the engine failure in the Mercury. So if anybody, for anyone who's watching this who doesn't have the backstory, quick backstory with it, it did still run, but it ran like crap. It had no power. It had no oil pressure. And it ran hot, and all the symptoms of something gone wrong here. So I'm taking it apart right now, and I had assumed maybe my cam went flat because I didn't run zinc and oil like I was supposed to, because I was misunderstood when they stopped doing flat tappet cams. But all that aside, taking it apart, I'm trying to figure out what exactly happened as I'm taking this apart. I don't have a ridge reamer, so I can't take out the pistons just yet. But I just got my timing chain off, and when I tipped the engine over, obviously a bunch of my lifters fell out, and you know, I was like, I probably should have taken them out before I try to tip the engine over, but I've done this so many times, flipped over and flipped it back, and they haven't fallen out. I figured I was just gonna have to pull them out. So I picked them all up and I tried to match them up to the holes they came from, even though I'm very likely gonna replace them anyway. So I've got them all out right here, lined up with the cylinders they came out of, and I got them on the other side too. But you'll notice that this cylinder here only has one, and that is because this one is stuck up like that. And it was originally stuck down. I was able to pry it up a little bit, but now it's stuck again. And that to me says that right there is a stuck lifter. And whether it was stuck up or down, it didn't smoothly come out, and it's not coming out. I mean, look at this. Oh, it's just rock solid stuck in there. That ain't coming. I'm gonna have to pry that out with I'm gonna stick a pick in that hole here and probably wreck it pulling it out. But that right there, if you leave that alone long enough, it will cause engine damage. It'll cause that particular cam to go flat, that cam lobe to go flat, especially if I'm not running zinc in the oil, which I wasn't. So I bet you that right there caused my engine failure, is that stuck lifter on like cylinder, I don't even know what cylinder this is. Cylinder number 2, right there. So cylinder number 2 has a dead cylinder, evidently. If that is the problem, of course, I haven't taken the cam out yet to make sure that that's what happened, but I can already tell you for about 80% certainty that that is a stuck lifter, and that's what caused this engine to blow up. So I just wanted to put that out as an update, and for anyone who actually cares. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.